what we have discovered are new ways to integrate differences. Working in South Africa, where the differences were very profound, where it's like going back to the future and forward to the past in the same generation, all the tribes and empires and languages and all that represents the planet is in a microcosm form south of the Limpopo River. So that became a training opportunity for those of us wrestling with the whole apartheid problem. And what we have discovered in that context are new ways to resolve very deep-seated conflicts and differences that in the past caused world wars and first, second, third world conflicts and all those things. So we came up with this term meshwork out of the brain sciences, because that's how the human brain integrates its chemistry, its neural network, its processing systems to form a filter, a gestalt, a worldview. So it's not a network, it's a mesh work. It's how differences then are resolved around a common goal or value, superordinate goals they're called. So how we can take 6.7 billion people, termites with big brains and overactive glands, who are trying to find a way to survive on the planet. All those differences. I spoke at the United Nations recently, trying to explain to them that beyond the League of Nations and the United Nations and what's next probably won't have the word nations in it. But we have to find some way to take all those entities that have been awakened by our value systems, our egalitarianness, wanting to bring everybody to the table, and certainly have been advertised in our rich media, both in terms of internet and movies. So now the whole planet is like a Rubik's Cube.